Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some Dollar Tree wood sign DIYs. For my first project, I will be using two of these Dollar Tree wood signs and some paint stir sticks. Now I'm using only two of these. I thought I was going to use all three of them, but I do end up cutting two pieces out of one of them. Before I add the paint stir sticks, I am going to paint my sign using some black chalk paint. To glue these pieces together, I will be using the paint stir sticks. Now for the third paint stir stick, I'm going to put it across, and then I'm going to just cut it to size and glue it, and that is it. I will be making a wreath and adding it to this. For the wreath, I did use some wreath, like a small wreath that I had, and made it bigger, and then I added some of this greenery, which is from Walmart. After I finished adding the boxwood, I added some of the Dollar Tree greenery to make it look thicker. I then added a bow that I made using the Dollar Tree burlap ribbon. There's different ways you can hang the wreath. You can add like a little hook, or you can add some ribbon like I am. I'm going to just add ribbon and glue it directly to the sign. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. Before I move on, I do want to mention that this is part of a collab. I'll have the link down in the description box, so you can definitely go check these ladies out. They are very talented and there are so many different ideas. For my next project, I will be using 3 of the Dollar Tree wood signs, and I'm going to just remove the string. And I'm using 2 paint stir sticks that I already had, but you can use some of the Dollar Tree wood pieces. They are a little bit smaller, but you can still use them. Now I'm going to glue the wood pieces, one at the top and one at the bottom. I didn't add popsicle sticks on the back, but if you want to, you can add some for extra support. I tried to paint them almost the exact same color as the paint stir sticks. I used a little bit of the Waverly Antique Wax with a little bit of black paint. This is how it looks once it's dry. Now you can honestly add anything to this. You can add some stickers, letters, or you can even use your Cricut to add something. I will be using this wreath form that I recently got at the Dollar Tree. This is new to Dollar Tree, and I'm going to just glue it in the center. And to decorate the wreath, I'm using some Dollar Tree floral picks. You could leave it like this or add any words to this. Dollar Tree does carry different things that you can add. Like for instance, this family word. I decided to use a thankful word that I had, which I got from Michael's. But yeah, that is it for this beautiful thankful sign. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood sign, and I'm going to paint the border using black paint. I will be making a wreath using the Dollar Tree wire jute twine, and I'm going to add it in the center. To decorate this little wreath, I will be using 3 of these flowers. Now, I recently found this burlap flowers at the Dollar Tree. I felt like this needed something else, so I had this family wood sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. I painted it using black paint, added to the top, and that is it. Look how beautiful this sign turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to go check out the link down in the description box for the collab. Until next time, bye.